Hey, I thought you might be able to help shed light on a problem I've been having with defining evolution as a science. I see science as I'm sure most people do, as first there's the first premise of if A, then B, and then you test that, and you have the second premise, which is you either have B and you verify it, don't prove it, and not B, and then you falsify it. So the problem I see with applying this system to evolution in particular is that the idea of selection is not directed in a particular manner, such that any variation is possibly selectable for. So when you have the if A, you don't really have a then B as much as you have a then any possible letter or observation. And if you can have any possible observation, one, your second premise, any observation you could see would actually verify the theory, and two, you couldn't possibly ever falsify the theory. And to have a practical application of this, say we looked at our fossil records and we saw single-celled organisms slowly evolving to more complex ones, and that's what we see. But what if we saw single-celled organism, huge organism, really complex, small organism, big, small, or maybe at the very beginning, why not have start with a big organism, although highly unlikely. Evolutionarily, it's still kind of possible, very, even more unlikely than making a cell. Still, but what if our fossil tree was reversed completely? That would still verify evolution. So it seems that no matter what we see, or basically no matter what we see, we're verifying evolution, and there is nothing we could see that could possibly falsify it. And I think that's an inherent problem, and I'd like to know what you thought about that. Thanks.